Imagine a world where your money grows exponentially without having to step out of your comfort zone. This is the potential of Bitcoin investment. Over the past decade, Bitcoin's value has surged, outpacing traditional investment avenues. It's a digital currency that has carved its own niche in the global financial landscape. With Bitcoin, your investment has the potential to yield significant returns. Now you might be wondering, how do you get in on this? The answer is simple: by buying Bitcoin. Before diving into the process of buying Bitcoin, it's crucial to understand what it is. Bitcoin is a digital currency, a new form of money that is entirely virtual. It's like an online version of cash that you can use to buy products and services, but not many shops accept Bitcoin yet, and some countries have even banned it altogether. What sets Bitcoin apart from traditional currencies is its decentralized nature. No single institution, like a government or bank, controls the Bitcoin network. This decentralization means that you own your Bitcoin. No one can freeze your Bitcoin wallet or revoke your transactions. Bitcoin also has a finite supply of 21 million coins. This scarcity is one of the reasons why it's a valuable asset. Think of it like gold, which is also valuable because it's scarce. Now that you have a grasp on what Bitcoin is, the next step is to understand how to buy it. To buy Bitcoin, you first need a place to store it, and that's where a Bitcoin wallet comes in. Much like your physical wallet, a Bitcoin wallet holds your digital currency. But it goes beyond that. It's a software application where Bitcoins are stored, and it allows you to manage your Bitcoin addresses, which are often compared to bank account numbers. Setting up a Bitcoin wallet is straightforward. You can choose a wallet from a reputable provider, download the app on your smartphone or computer, and then follow the instructions to set it up. There are many types available, from online wallets to hardware wallets. The key to a Bitcoin wallet is security. You must ensure that your wallet is protected by strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and backup features. Remember, in the world of Bitcoin, you are your own bank, so security is paramount. With a secure Bitcoin wallet in place, you're now ready to buy Bitcoin. Buying Bitcoin is a straightforward process, just like online shopping. Now that you've set up your Bitcoin wallet, the next step is to actually purchase the Bitcoin. First, you'll need to choose a reputable exchange. There are many out there, each with its own set of pros and cons. Some are known for their security measures, others for their user-friendly interfaces, and still others for their advanced trading features. Do your homework and choose the one that best fits your needs. Once you've chosen an exchange, you'll need to create an account. This usually involves providing some basic personal information, verifying your identity, and setting up two-factor authentication for added security. After your account is set up, it's time to place an order. You can do this by navigating to the buy or trade section of the exchange. Here, you'll specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. You can choose to buy a whole Bitcoin or part of one depending on your budget. Next, you'll go through the payment process. This typically involves choosing a payment method, such as a bank transfer or credit card, and then confirming the details of your order. Finally, once your purchase is complete, you'll want to transfer the Bitcoin to your wallet. This is a crucial step, as leaving your Bitcoin on the exchange can make it vulnerable to hacks. And there you have it. Congratulations, you've just bought your first Bitcoin. Investing in Bitcoin can be a thrilling journey, and it's just the beginning. As we navigate the exhilarating twists and turns of the crypto market together, remember, knowledge is power. It's a vast landscape out there with countless opportunities and pitfalls. It's essential to stay informed and up to date with market trends to make the most of this digital gold rush. So, dive in. Explore the world of Bitcoin and beyond. There's no shortage of resources out there to help you along your way. Podcasts, blogs, webinars, online courses, you name it. The keys to the crypto kingdom are right at your fingertips. And we're here to help too. We'll continue to provide you with the insights and guidance you need to navigate this exciting new frontier with confidence. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends who are also interested in Bitcoin, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Happy investing!